So I have 8 ounces of room temperature cream cheese, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 cup of powdered sugar, and I did sift this to get any lumps out. I have 24 Oreo cookies that I crushed up using a meat mallet, and then an 8-ounce container of Cool Whip that has been thawed. So into my mixing bowl, I'm going to add the room temperature cream cheese. We're gonna beat that until it's nice and light and creamy. You might want to stop and scrape the chunks of cream cheese that might have flung to the side of the bowl. I like to use a rubber spatula to do this. Now the cream cheese is all whipped up, I'm going to add in my teaspoon of vanilla extract and my cup of sifted powdered sugar. I'm going to start the mixer on low and then gradually increase as the powdered sugar gets a chance to incorporate into the cream cheese. Again, stopping to scrape the sides of the bowl with a rubber spatula. The cream cheese mixture is nice and smooth, and I scraped the sides of the bowl down just to make sure that I got all the cream cheese. Now I'm going to fold in the thawed Cool Whip. All right, the Cool Whip's all folded in. Now I'm gonna add in my crushed Oreo cookies. I am gonna reserve a little bit of the crushed Oreos to sprinkle on top of the dip when it's finished. So, I think that's about a half a cup or so that I'm gonna save. Now I'm just gonna fold this in. All right, the Oreos are all combined with the cream cheese mixture. I'm gonna put plastic wrap on this and put it in the refrigerator for an hour. That way all the flavors have a chance to marry together, and then it is dipping time. The Oreo dip has been covered and in the refrigerator for an hour. Now I'm gonna transfer it into this little bowl that I have on a platter, along with some graham crackers, vanilla wafers, and some strawberries to dip into. So I'm just gonna stir this up a little bit before I add it into my little bowl here. I might have a little bit more in my larger bowl than what will fit in this little bowl, but we're gonna add it. See how much of it we can get in there. Okay, we got a nice full bowl here. I wasn't able to get all the Oreo dip that was in the larger bowl into this little one, but trust me, it will all get ate. So now I'm gonna garnish the top of it with some of those remaining Oreo crumbs that I had set aside. And there you have it, quick and easy Oreo dip.